To manually link your bank account to Plaid. So over here, some information basically on how to do this. So first you're gonna prepare for manual linking. So it relies on a verification method involving small financial transactions. So this pretty much confirms the user has legitimate access. But anyways, this will include a full bank account number and the routing number which identifies the financial institution. And the routing number can be found in a check within an online banking portal or through a mobile banking application. The details are the primary identifiers Plaid uses to send the micro deposits to the correct account. So then you can just initiate the manual linking process. So when instant bank linking is not an option, you can choose an alternative path for manual verification. It's gonna be labeled as link with account numbers or manual verification or similar phrasing. Upon choosing this method, the application will prompt the user to input their bank account number and routing number along with other details. And accuracy in entering this information is important, of course, to avoid errors. And once the details are submitted, Plaid initiates the transfer of micro deposits. These deposits typically take 1 or 2 days to appear, though some Plaid falls might offer same-day processing. The user must wait for the transactions to post before proceeding to the next stage of verification, which is basically the completion. So you can access your bank statement to locate the micro deposits, and these appear as two distinct small amounts, usually a few cents each. In some cases, it's not or pretty much a single micro deposits that can include a verification code in the transaction description. So you can return to the application where the linking process was initiated, and plain interface will prompt you to enter the precise microdeposit amount of the verification code. Entering these figures confirms you have access to the bank account. So upon correct entry, the account is marked as verified. But anyways, all you have to do is just follow this process, basically line up. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.